Hello, my rock and music students. Okay, here's your first at-home assignment for the week. Yesterday in class, we talked about pitches and reading the different notes on the musical scale. So go ahead and log into your Quaver account. Remember, go to Quaver login, username and password. If you have any difficulties at all, send Ms. Ortiz a message on Dojo or Google Classroom. Okay, notice I have some space over here because first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our sight reading, and then I want you to drag it over to this side, okay? And find the song. We're on sight singing day 3 now. So go ahead and go over here so you can see the music. And then I want you to come back and go into quarter 2 homework number 2. So you actually have 2 different ones launched, okay? Sound good? So on day 3, first thing I want you to do is practice this song using the keyboard, reading the pitches, okay? So it says right here, G, D, E, and then this guy is on the same line as D. So he is also a D. So you're going to have to actually read the ones that aren't colored in, okay? We've seen him before. He's G. G, A, B, rest. Then you're going to do the bottom line on your own. G, D, E, D, G, A, G. Practice that with the keyboard until you feel comfortable with it, okay? Then if you want to get rid of this tab, you can after you've practiced your sight reading using the pitches. All right, next thing you're going to do now that you've played it is you're going to write it. The notes up here say, use the notes C through A to create a melody with the backing track. So what I want you to do is use this C, and you can go all the way up to this A if you would like. Don't go higher than the second space. So we can kind of make sure that we're paying attention. You've got to do 4 measures. Okay. There is a rubric attached that you need to follow. Make sure that you have all 4 measures done. It's okay if you have some funky rhythms. I want you to try and use at least one of each note. So I have a C, I have a D, I have an E. I don't have an F, so I wouldn't get a full score on this one. So make sure you're using all of the notes. Then you can hear what it sounds like with the backing track. Okay, if you like it, you can save it. Go up here to the menu button, click save and give it a name, and then come back to the menu button and click submit. Okay, so that way Mrs. Ortiz can see it and tell you, oh my goodness, you are so fabulous. All right, so that is assignment number 2. And last but not least, we have a 2-minute pitch and interval video starring Mr. Quaver. That is how you're going to end class today. So you've got 2 assignments really that you have to do in one video to watch. One is practice your sight reading with the piano, and 2 is write a song and submit it. Okay, that's all you have to do. If there are any questions, shoot me a message. Otherwise, good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.